Hi, I'm Belle from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to julienne like a pro using my Shun Premier Gray knives. A julienne is a thin matchstick cut, great for topping salads or grain bowls, putting in spring rolls. I'm using my Nakiri because it's really flat and it's designed for really precise cutting. To begin, I'm just gonna cut off the tips of my carrots and just cut my carrot into matchstick lengths, about 3 to 4 inches generally. Working with one piece at a time, I'm going to create a plank, which is a flat surface for my carrot to rest on so that it doesn't wobble all over the board. This is important for knife safety. Then I'm just gonna cut my squared off carrot into 1/8-inch planks, nice and thin. You wanna be careful with your fingers here as you're getting really close to the blade, so make sure your fingertips are nice and tucked underneath. Now that I have all my nice planks, I'm just gonna stack them up. Now I'm just gonna go through and do another 1/8-inch slice, and there you have it. Perfect matchsticks. This Nakiri knife really allows you to get really, really clean cuts, so you end up with gorgeous pieces just like this. So why Shun? These knives are hand hammered in Japan. The blade, which is extremely sharp and great for precision, has these gorgeous waves throughout the blade, which aren't just pretty to look at, but actually highly functional as they reduce drag. Beautiful. Now that I have all my gorgeous julienne vegetables, I'm gonna top my grain bowl. I have some red quinoa, avocado. Just gonna add little piles of my julienne vegetables. These add a really nice fresh crunch and some gorgeous color. And there you have it, the perfect julienne. To learn more knife techniques and to learn more about Shun Premier Gray, head to williamssonoma.com.